Welcome back, and in this video you are going to see how the Magic Camera 3D Simulator works for the cameras and lens selection. First, you can select the camera that you have for now, or you can select the camera that you want to try. So, for example, you come here and select the models. For example, you can understand what the C stands for, right? So you have the C70D, 7D, 80D, 90D, the M5, M50, M6, Mark II, and so on, R6, R5, and you are going to have the simulation. For example, if I select the SL3, check out what's going to happen because the sensor size is different. So this is what you see with the same lens, with the same settings, but changing the camera. If you go again for the, let's say, SA7 III, because it's a full frame camera, so this is what you are going to see with this zoom at 35 millimeters. So now you understand that you can have different field of view depending on the crop of the sensor. For example, if we get this G7, you can understand that it's micro four thirds for those who know. So this is a micro four thirds sensor camera. So if you select, this is what you get if you are using a 35 millimeters lens. So you understand the micro four thirds, you understood this 1.6 crop, and you understand the full frame sensor. But it's not only this, you are also having the limitation for the ISO because each camera is different and each camera will bring more noise to the image depending on the ISO level or settings. So this is for the camera. You now understand how to choose your cameras. For the next video, we are going to see about lenses, because this is the most advanced simulation inside the Magic Camera 3D Simulator. Let's move on and see you soon!